The Zendesk Marketplace is where you can find apps and integrations that enhance your Zendesk support experience. These tools help automate tasks, improve ticket handling, and streamline workflows, allowing you to manage email tickets faster and deliver better customer service. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install and use apps from the Zendesk Marketplace. To begin, open the product tray and select Admin Center. Navigate to Apps and Integrations, then select Channel Apps under Apps. Click Zendesk Marketplace. Here you'll find a wide variety of apps designed to enhance Zendesk's functionality. Use the search bar to look for the app you need. For this demonstration, let's install the Time Tracking app. From the search results, click the app to review its description and installation instructions. To continue, click Install and choose the account where the app should be added. Then, you'll be redirected to the Admin Center. Adjust the app's settings to fit your workflow, customize fields to track the data your team needs, arrange app placement for easy access in the ticket interface, limit visibility to specific groups or roles, and enable shortcuts so agents can launch tools quickly. Finally, click Install. The Time Tracking app automatically records how much time is spent on each ticket. It helps identify complex issues, shows how agents spend their time, and generates detailed reports to improve performance. By installing and customizing apps from the Zendesk Marketplace, you'll streamline ticket handling, gain valuable insights, and deliver better customer service. Thanks for watching.